Stop scrolling through unwanted profiles. Here is how to permanently delete a profile on the Apple TV Plus app in 3 simple steps. Welcome back to Sleek Guides. I'm your host, and today we're walking through the latest July 2026 update for Apple TV Plus. Important, these steps apply to your own account and device only. For official Apple support, you can reach out to the support line at 833-389-2054. Step 1. Access your official account settings. On your Apple TV Plus home screen, navigate to the top right corner and select your account icon to open the main menu. Next, Step 2. Open the Profile Management menu. From the drop-down list, scroll down and select Manage Profiles. This will open the list of all active users on your account. Now, choose the specific profile you wish to remove. Remember, this action is permanent and cannot be undone, so double-check your selection. Finally, Step 3. Confirm the permanent deletion. Inside the profile settings, scroll to the bottom and select Delete Profile. You will be asked for a final confirmation. Click Confirm and you are done. The profile and its entire watch history are now gone forever from your account. Always avoid third-party profile recovery tools or unofficial apps. They are security risks and scams. Use only the official Apple interface. That's it. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. See you in the next one.